Okay, so you've bought a script or a package on CodeCanyon and you're trying to figure out how to install it. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our Namecheap account and we're going to go to our hosting list. I'm showing you an example here. Yours will look pretty similar to this, but not quite the same. So from here, you're going to click on Go to cPanel. I have it open already, so I'm going to go into my cPanel, see Tools, and you'll see some things here that you have subscribed to and or that you've enabled. You're going to scroll down a little bit, go into Files, and click on the File Manager. I also have that open, so I'm going to click into that tab, and from here, you're going to navigate into the different folders that you have. You may have more, you probably have less if you haven't set anything up, and you are going to go into the public folder, into this public HTML. So I'm going to double click on the globe, and that's going to bring me into that directory. This directory is where you want to put the zip file that you downloaded from CodeCanyon into here. Once you have that file, you're going to select it, and you'll have the option to extract. I don't have it because I just clicked on a folder, but if you come down to the zip file that's in here, so you can see mine, you could extract it. When you extract it, you want it extracted into this public _HTML folder. And that's going to be the first step to get you up and running with what you bought from CodeCanyon. So come back if you need other instructions on how to enable some of the other features, but hopefully that helps you get started, and good luck.